Hey everyone, welcome to today's art video and the first day of Mermay. So if you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, or Twitch, you probably know that I kind of got a little head start on this. I actually worked on this yesterday. I had been planning on streaming. I pretty much have been streaming like every Monday so far. But yeah, I was planning on streaming and I didn't really know what I wanted to stream, and then I decided it'd be kind of nice to get a head start on Mermay, so that's what I did. I don't think I'm gonna be participating 100%, like doing one every day. I did that last year, and it gets a little intense having to do a drawing every day, and for me, I am a perfectionist and I kind of want to put out like finished pieces, so it gets kind of tough. But I almost forgot about Mermay this year, so I'm not like really mentally prepared for it, I guess. I'm probably gonna try to do it as much as I can, but I won't really beat myself up over it if I skip a day or 2, or 3, or 4. This very well may be the only mermaid drawing I do as well, so I don't know, I guess we'll see at the end of the month. So yeah, as you may have guessed, I worked on this on stream. I've been really getting into streaming on Twitch again. If you didn't see, I made affiliate, which is really awesome. It basically gets my foot in the door for possibly making partner, and I don't know, it's really motivating, I guess. Twitch made it really easy to kind of see what you need in order to hit these goals. So yeah, I'm really getting back into this. So if you want to catch one of my streams, then follow me on Twitch, or you can follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and I post on there whenever I go live. So far, it seems like it's been every Monday I've had the time to stream. I'm trying to do Fridays and possibly Sundays, but those ones have been kind of like iffy for now. Hopefully soon I'll nail down a set schedule and I'll let you guys know so that you guys know when you can tune in. But yeah, I've been having a lot of fun streaming. I mean, I always have fun streaming. It's really nice to be able to talk to you guys as I'm drawing, and I can answer questions and explain what I'm doing. And actually in this drawing, kind of in the middle of it, I showed how I make like patterned custom brushes. I made one to show how you would do one for like scales for the mermaid tail instead of having to draw each individual one. I actually have been asked how I make brushes quite a bit, so I think for this week's DIY video I'm going to be doing a DIY Procreate brush creation thing. If you guys are interested in that, make sure you check out my video on Thursday. So yeah, I think that I'm gonna let this drawing finish out and pop back in for the end. almost done with the drawing. I'm just kind of adjusting random things. I always sit there and go through and play with the layers and the blending options and stuff a lot, because you can kind of get cool looking effects when you do that. But yeah, so the line art for this piece, I'm going to make my Patreon monthly coloring club for May. I've been slacking and I didn't do one last month, so I apologize, but I really love how this one turned out, so this one's gonna be the one for May. I thought it was fitting for Mermay to do a mermaid line art, so yeah. And here it is, all done. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and thank you so much for watching again. Don't forget, on Thursday I will be doing a custom Procreate brush creation, like a patterned brush creation, so make sure and go check that out. So yeah, I'll see you guys later this week.